Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to track the changes in Google Docs. So, open any Google Doc that you want to use or we can start a blank document. Make sure you are logged into the right account. By default, Google Doc uses editing mode, but to track changes, click on the drop-down mode and select suggesting. Now every edit you make will appear as a tracked suggestion. For example, let's go back to editing mode. Then switch it to suggesting. So start typing or deleting text. As you can see here, suggestion boxes will appear showing who made the change and when. You can also highlight text and choose comment to explain your changes. When multiple people collaborate, each person's changes are color-coded. For example, mine is green, for another person it will be red, for another one it will be yellow, and so on and so forth. This makes it easy to review edits. So to accept a change, click on the check mark. To reject it, click on the X mark. Once all changes are reviewed, switch back to editing mode to apply them directly. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.